Hey guys, welcome back to our channel Tutormania. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can disable those annoying everyone and harm notifications of any server. So I'm going to perform this in my web version of Discord. You can use your Windows version or Mac OS version. So first of all, you have to right click the server. Then you have to move to this notification settings. Once you are in notification setting, you can disable all notifications from here by enabling this settings, or you can scroll down and enable this suppress everyone and here settings. Once you have enabled these settings, and then press done, and after that you will not receive those annoying everyone and here notification from that particular server. So if you found this video helpful and want more tips and tricks videos on Discord, so make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel Tutormania, and I'll see you in my next video. See ya.